Hi everyone, welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make your Samsung phone announce who is calling you out loud, so you can know who's calling without even looking at your screen. This is especially useful when you're busy, driving, or just away from your phone. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. First, go to the Settings app on your Samsung phone. If you don't see it on your home screen, just swipe up and search for Settings. Once you're inside, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Now look for the option called Interaction and Dexterity and tap on it. Next, tap on Answering and Ending Calls. Here, you will find the option that allows your phone to read caller names aloud. By default, this feature is turned off, so go ahead and enable it. After turning it on, tap on the option to adjust how it works. You can choose if you want it to announce caller names only when using Bluetooth or headphones, or always. If you want the full experience, select Always, so your phone announces every incoming call out loud. You'll also see an optional setting to repeat the caller name twice. This can be useful if you don't catch it the first time, so feel free to enable it if you prefer. Now let's test it to make sure everything is working correctly.
Y todo dos corazones infinidad.
And that's it. Now your Samsung phone will say the name of whoever is calling you out loud, making it much easier to stay connected without checking your screen.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!